Hello everyone, this is a review of the car brush duster and getting in all the little gaps and what's not. So the top bit is plastic, it's pretty easy to hold, it's quite sturdy and it actually looks quite sleek. You literally just hold it like this and then brush. Now the things that I really like about this is, do you know how when you when you start cleaning your car and you've got in between all the vents and in between like the pockets and where you put your phone and your keys and your change, and you've got the drink holders, and even in the side of the doors you've got the indents in the doors where you can hold stuff. Well, trying to sweep all of the rubbish and stuff that we amass over time there is an absolute pain, because if you can't get to it, you can't just get a hoover in there and start sucking it all up. So what this does is it aggregates the little dust and mites and what's not, and then you can just wipe it away. It loosens everything up and you can stick your hoover in there. It's also really soft to touch as well, meaning that you're not going to scratch anything. You can actually use this on the seats and it will do a really good job. Here you can have a look at it just like that. Okay, really nice. I would actually recommend this. I think people would be really happy with this. So yeah, enjoy.